Welcome to Top Secret. In this video I will show you the 5 healthy benefits of pineapple. Before I move on, I want you to subscribe to my channel and like this video. One healthy benefit of pineapple is, pineapple may aid digestion. Bromelain, a set of digestive enzymes found in pineapple, may help with meat digestion. Bromelain is a protease enzyme that breaks down protein molecules into their constituent amino acids and short peptides. Your small intestine may more easily absorb protein molecules once they've been broken down. This is particularly beneficial for patients who suffer from pancreatic insufficiency, a condition in which the pancreas is unable to produce adequate digestive enzymes. Bromelain's ability to break down tough meat proteins makes it a popular commercial meat tenderizer. Bromelain was found to lower inflammatory indicators in digestive tissue in a test tube investigation, but more research is needed. Pineapples are also high in fiber, which is beneficial to digestive health. Another healthy benefit of pineapple is, pineapple contains disease-fighting antioxidants. Pineapples are high in nutrients as well as antioxidants, which are chemicals that help your body fight oxidative stress. An accumulation of free radicals, unstable chemicals that cause cell damage, causes oxidative stress, which has been related to chronic inflammation, decreased immunological function, heart disease, diabetes, and some malignancies. Pineapples are particularly high in flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which are antioxidants. Although human evidence is sparse, 2 rodent studies show that pineapple's antioxidants may have heart protective effects. Furthermore, many of the antioxidants found in pineapple are bound antioxidants, which means they have a longer lasting effect. Another healthy benefit of pineapple is, pineapple may reduce your risk of cancer. Cancer is a chronic disease characterized by uncontrolled cell growth. The development is usually related to oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. Some studies note that pineapple and compounds, including bromelain, can reduce the risk of cancer by minimizing oxidative stress and reducing inflammation. Some studies show that bromelain can also help treat cancer that has developed. For example, one study tube found that bromelain suppressed breast cancer cell growth and stimulated cell death, while rat studies found that bromelain increased the effect of anti-cancer therapy. Other test tube studies have produced similar results for skin cancer, colorectal, or bile. Furthermore, the tube test and older animal studies have found that bromelain can stimulate the immune system to produce molecules that make white blood cells more effectively reduce cancer cell growth and eliminate cancer cells. That said, pineapple contains fewer bromelain rather than supplements. One of the reviews of human studies found there is no benefit to using oral enzymes such as bromelain with cancer therapy, although research is diverse. Overall, more human research is needed. Another healthy benefit of pineapple is, pineapple may boost immunity and suppress inflammation. Pineapples have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. They contain a wide variety of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes such as bromelain likely to collectively improve immunity and reduce inflammation. In an older 9-day study, 98 healthy children did not manage pineapple, about 1 cup of pineapple, about 2 cups, 280 grams, of pineapple daily. Those who ate pineapple had a significantly lower risk of viral and bacterial infections. In addition, children who eat the greatest of this fruit had almost 4 times more white blood cells in the fight against the disease than other groups. A 30-day study in 40 adults with chronic sinusitis revealed that those taking a 500 mg bromelain supplement returned significantly faster than those in the control group. In addition, studies have shown that bromelain can reduce inflammation markers, helping immune health. In addition, preliminary test tube studies have even found that bromelain supplements, only and associated with other compounds, can help reduce the symptoms of COVID-19 and slow down its progression. Nevertheless, additional research on humans is needed. Remember that neither pineapple nor its compounds can cure or prevent COVID-19. Last healthy benefit of pineapple is, pineapple may speed recovery after surgery or strenuous exercise. Eating pineapple can reduce the time needed to recover from surgery or exercise. While this fruit helps refill carbohydrate stores after exercising, some of the benefits are also caused by the anti-inflammatory properties of bromelain. Some studies show that bromelain can reduce inflammation, swelling, bruising, and pain that often occurs after surgery, including dental and skin procedures. This can also reduce the marker of inflammation. 2 reviews show that bromelain can reduce discomfort, pain, or swelling after dental surgery. Moreover, the review found that in 5 of the 7 randomized controlled studies, bromelain increased recovery after surgical skin procedures. However, its use is still debated. In addition, proteases such as bromelain can accelerate muscle recovery after severe exercise by reducing inflammation around the damaged muscle tissue. Even so, more research is needed before this compound can be recommended for post-training recovery. These are the healthy benefit of pineapple. Please, if you love this video, I want you to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any of my videos when I upload them. Thank you for watching.